Hills, and it's Saturday 4:45. I'm sorry I could not upload video on Wednesday because I really got very busy. And last weekend I was cleaning, and I've set up the home. The entire home is now settled, and I shared my house tour video file with all the things settled. I could not. Usually I take videos on Saturday and Sunday for Wednesday and Sunday, so I was not able to do that during the week time as well. I'm very sorry because I got very busy with work, and my GoPro Hero is finally here. I'm so happy. So I want to do this unboxing with you guys, and then while the video is buffering, I'm uploading. I'm going to go and get some groceries, and then I have to catch up on my work from like office work. So let's go and unbox this. I'm so happy. I waited like for 4 months, and then there was a lockdown, and then I thought, then I was in middle of you know moving from one state to the other state, and then finding a rental home and finding an address and all that. So I'm very excited. I thought that I will wait another few weeks till next month, but I thought just why not, because the sound quality on the phone, the video quality is nice, but the sound quality is not that good. And I'm hoping that hoping things would settle down by next month, and we can actually go out and use this as planned, for action videos. If not, I still have some fun things planned that we can do from home. So let's go. So I ordered a baguette, and I had that for breakfast. Let me show you. Let me turn around the camera. So this is what I ordered today. So I had the entire baguette with, it was already fried in butter, and then on top of that I added butter and jam. So that was my breakfast, and I had khichdi. Alright guys, so it's the other way around. So I'm sitting down, and so tiny. Can you see? It looks a little bigger in this, but it's like so tiny, pocket friendly, and I can take it on my small handbag. So it is GoPro 8, the special bundle hyper smooth. It says 2.0, and it's a special holiday bundle. It says somewhere. It just says special bundle here, and it says. Holiday bundle. I ordered it on Amazon. So let's see. I ordered it on Amazon. How do I get this? Okay, it's like this. And I ordered some more accessories. I want to do less damage as possible to the box. I guess this way. I got it in the morning at around 11, and I waited to so that I can vlog the unboxing. And ouch. Wow, oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this, guys. It's so tiny. And then how do I get this out? So okay, so now this has I turned the box the other way around, and then I think it has steps, unlimited cloud storage for your GoPro footage. Can you read this? And yeah, I have to set up my PC with GoPro app. One of my colleague, he has GoPro. They have details on GoPro app, and some instructions how to unscrew it. So hopefully I can do it. And have questions. So these are just some cards, and I think this is a booklet which I will have to read later. Oh my god, look at these accessories. Okay, so this is with the bundle it comes this 32 GB. Can you see? Okay, this is the 32 GB card. Okay, and then this USB cable for connecting GoPro to your PC. And this I think is for head. I will show it to you later. And then maybe I will not unpack it because and this so tiny. I like it, you know. It's for a vlogger, it's nice. There is a media mod that I want to buy, but it's not available right now. So there is a media mod available which I want to buy later on, for which you can have, it's like a casing around the camera, and then you can attach a light and a mic. And one more thing I forgot, yeah, the display screen for vloggers, but it's not currently available right now. And this is this gimbal or the tripod, GoPro tripod. And let's see if we can open it, and if we can, how do I, so I'll have to see. I'm new to this, I have not seen a lot of videos. But actually I was going to buy a Canon camera, and I do a lot of trekking. So my friends, you know, they told me to buy GoPro. It is also waterproof, so sometimes it rains when we are trekking. Okay, how do I open this? I'll have to, oh yeah, it is like this. Moved a bit. It is like this. So you push it from the bottom, but it further expands. Yeah, finally. So it further expands. I think this is it, or yeah, I think this is it. Because if you can see those tiny screws, so not bad. I mean, I have my other gimbal on which I have connected my phone, so I have to see how I can connect that on my gimbal, the existing one that I have. So I like this as well. I mean, it's very handy, small and handy, and it goes in like this. Okay, so this is battery. And what else we have? There are two batteries. The holiday bundle came with two batteries, and this is to, I think, to stick I'll have to check, stick your phone, like not phone, the camera. So I have to check that out. Sir, I'm not an expert. So, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. What else it came with? Okay, so these are the accessories. I'm not going to open this. This is like your head. You can connect the camera to head, and we will open this when we go out. Maybe when we go out to explore Golconda Fort, I will go and open this. Let's see the camera now. So you unscrew from here. And let's see, it comes out. Yes, it comes out. How do I take this out? How do I take this out? I'll have to check some videos on this because I don't want to break this. I saw a video but I don't remember. But anyways, let's it's so tiny. Wow, it's so cute. And you can go ahead and close those flaps, and let's power it on. I think I have to connect it and power it on. I have to connect it to power. And then I also got these accessories. I got a tempered glass, um, which comes with wet and dry wipes. So tempered glass for this. And I also got a sleeve. I also got a sleeve because in case if I drop. So let me power it on and then I'll get back to you. So alright friends, so I think the mistake that I did is it's charging now, if you can see. And the mistake that I did is I did not turn on the power on button. So hopefully I can take some videos. I have a haul video coming up for you, I thought I will do it on Wednesday, and then I thought that I ordered GoPro, so I thought I will wait for it. So I will wait till this gets charged, and then I'll take some videos. I'll see the settings. I don't have the display mod yet, so I have to see where I have to look, and I can hopefully shoot a video for you today. The other haul video for you today, and it should be up Wednesday. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, hit like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.